The increasing complex development challenges, particularly the COVID-19 pandemic, have disrupted progress towards the SDGs and increased the annual financing gap of developing countries to achieve the SDGs by 2030 to $3.7 trillion. This is where the private sector can play a critical role to fill the funding gap. To mobilize more investment from the private sector and global private capital on SDG projects, UNDP supports governments and works with public and private partners to develop SDG Investor Maps. The SDG Investor Maps methodology is created by UNDP SDG Impact to generate country-level data and insights about SDG enabling investment themes and business models. SDG Investor Maps are developed by UNDP country offices through a consultative process with government stakeholders, investment promotion agencies, enterprises, leading impact and commercial investors, as well as think tanks and academia to produce tangible market intelligence. SDG Investor Maps explore implications of the identified investment opportunities on critical themes, including gender equality, climate, and how digital solutions can be optimized. UNDP has developed SDG Investor Maps across the globe in emerging markets, including in Latin America and the Caribbean, Arab states, Africa, Asia, and Pacific and Europe. SDG Investor Maps identify investment opportunity areas in SDG enabling sectors where development needs and policy priorities overlap. Sectors where private capital can make a difference to people and planet include, for example, food and beverages, healthcare, education, infrastructure, renewable resources, and alternative energy and financial sector. SDG Investor Map, a smart solution for investors to identify SDG investment opportunities to create a more inclusive, prosperous, and just world for all. Investment opportunity areas from all SDG Investor Maps are publicly accessible on the SDG Investor platform.